Welcome to our channel, where secrets of success, wealth, and hidden knowledge await you. Today, we'll dive deep into an ancient yet powerful method that can unlock your true financial potential. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The answer might be hidden in your birth date. Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to learn could completely change your financial future. Numbers are not just mathematical symbols. They carry vibrations, energy, and meaning. Since ancient times, numerology has been used to predict events, understand personalities, and even attract wealth. Your birth date is more than just a number. It holds a secret financial code that can guide you toward prosperity. To calculate your financial code, follow these steps. Write down your full birth date, e.g., July 25th, 1990, 25/July/1990. Add all the digits together. 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 33. If the sum is a double-digit number, reduce it further by adding the two digits together. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Your financial code is 6. Each number from 1 to 9 has a unique financial vibration. Let's explore what your number reveals about your relationship with money and how to maximize your wealth potential. Number 1, the leader, independent, ambitious, and innovative. Money flows when you take bold risks and lead the way. Avoid hesitation and trust your instincts. Number 2, the diplomat. Success comes through partnerships, teamwork, and intuition. You thrive when collaborating rather than working alone. Be wary of overdependence on others. Number 3, the creative. Your wealth is tied to creativity, communication, and charisma. Careers in art, writing, or public speaking will bring financial abundance. Number 4, the builder. Hardworking, disciplined, and practical. You succeed through persistence and planning. Avoid rigidity and learn to adapt to new opportunities. Number 5, the adventurer. You attract wealth through change, risk-taking, and adaptability. Traditional jobs may not suit you. Instead, explore entrepreneurial ventures or investments. Number 6, the nurturer. Financial success comes from service, responsibility, and generosity. You are drawn to careers in healing, teaching, and caregiving. Number 7, the seeker. Wealth comes through deep knowledge, analysis, and spiritual wisdom. You excel in research, academia, or technology fields. Number 8, the powerhouse. This is the number of wealth, power, and success. You are destined for financial abundance, but discipline and integrity are crucial. Number 9, the humanitarian. Money flows when you focus on helping others. Philanthropy, leadership, and visionary thinking bring you financial success. Now that you know your financial code, how can you use it to attract money? Here are some powerful techniques. Align with your strengths. Focus on careers and financial strategies that match your number's energy. Visualize success. Daily affirmations and visualization techniques will amplify your wealth potential. Use your lucky numbers. Incorporate your number into business decisions, bank accounts, or even lottery picks. Energy activation. Wear colors, symbols, or gemstones that enhance your number's frequency. Financial mindset. Eliminate limiting beliefs about money and embrace a mindset of abundance. For example, if your financial code is 8, embrace leadership roles, focus on large-scale investments, and aim high in business. If your number is 3, Leverage your communication skills. Start a YouTube channel, become a speaker, or write a book. Ancient cultures believed that numbers held magical properties. Many wealthy individuals unknowingly follow their financial code by aligning their careers, investments, and daily habits with their numerical energy. Now, it's your turn to unlock the hidden power of your financial code. Share your number in the comments, and let's discuss how you can maximize your wealth potential. If this knowledge resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing secrets.